friends, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. I just got back from the grocery store and I'm getting ready to make dinner for my family. Today I'm going to be preparing a keto, low-carb friendly dish, garlic butter chicken. And I'm going to put it alongside this beautiful asparagus that I just got from Whole Foods, and it was on sale. So if you want to know how to make this keto friendly dish, stay tuned because I'm about to make it right now. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to first start by cutting my chicken breast here into bite-sized pieces. All right, once we have our chicken all cut up, we then season it with some salt, pepper, and onion powder. And now we're gonna toss this all together. All right, once we have this all mixed together, we simply put it to the side and we start preparing our asparagus. All right, now it's time to prepare our asparagus. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these rubber bands off, and I'm going to cut the bottoms of these off. Now you can certainly save these and keep them and put them in some soups and things like that for added flavor. I'm not gonna do that because I know I'm not gonna make any soups or anything anytime soon that I'm gonna want asparagus in. So I am going to toss them. And so from here, I'm gonna take them over to the sink and give them a nice, quick, thorough wash. So now over medium and low heat, we are to heat 1/2 of the butter that we needed, along with some olive oil. We will heat those, melt them down, and then we are going to add our chicken. Now into this pan, we're going to add our chopped chicken. Okay, now we're going to let that brown on all sides. Now it's time to prepare our asparagus. First, we're going to let them blanch in this boiling water for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add some salt to this water. And we're going to add our asparagus. Again, we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes, after which we're going to take them out and let them sit in some cold water to stop the cooking process. All right, we've got our chicken cooking nicely over here. Okay, so our asparagus has been cooking for 2 minutes. So I'm going to take these out and I'm going to blanch them in the cold water that I have here, just so you guys can see the cold water I have here. So let's get this out of here. And you guys, I'm using my professional camera today. I've been doing my videos on my phone. So I said, well, let me use my professional camera today since the quality is supposed to be so much better. And so I've got a lot of practice to do. It's more difficult doing it with this one. All right, so there I've got my asparagus blanching here in the cold ice water so that it can stop the cooking. Our chicken is nice and brown, so to this I am now going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning to that. And we're going to stir that around and work that in. Now that our chicken is nice and brown on all sides, I'm now going to turn off the heat and remove the chicken from the pan. Look at all of those fabulous bits at the bottom of the pan. That is so much flavor, and you guys, it smells so good in my kitchen right now. I'm gonna turn my pan back on to medium-high heat. And to this, I'm going to add another teaspoon of chopped garlic and chicken broth. And to this chicken broth is going to deglaze the bottom of this pan, all those fabulous bits. Now you can use chicken broth to deglaze your pan, or you can use wine, whatever it is you want to use. I had chicken broth here, so chicken broth is what I decided to use. And we're gonna let this reduce to about half. Okay, now that our sauce has begun to reduce to about half, I'm now going to add the juice of half of a lemon. About a teaspoon of Sriracha. The remaining half stick of butter. And parsley flakes. We're going to work this into our sauce. Okay. And now to this, we're going to add our blanched asparagus back into the pan. And we're going to toss this up. Toss it in all of this sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh, this joy that I have. Ooh. You all, this smells so good. And remember to keep that heat on to medium, keep it on medium-high heat. Okay, and we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. We are now going to return our chicken back to the pan and let that cook up. And let's toss this around a little bit, get that chicken all nice and tossed in this sauce here, which is absolutely smelling amazing in this kitchen. All right, guys. I'd say this meal is about complete. It's time to plate this bad boy up. Let's get ready to eat. Okay, everyone, so the moment it was time for me to taste my food, my camera started acting up. I don't know what the issue is, but so I went to my phone quickly because I didn't want my food to get cold because I couldn't fix what the issue was. But anyway, it's time to taste this delicious garlic butter chicken. So let me show you all what I have here. My delicious plate of food. This garlic butter chicken. It has my whole house. It has my whole house smelling absolutely delicious. So anyway, here we go. I knew it. there is a taste explosion that literally happens inside your mouth the moment you put this food in there. Let's taste our asparagus. Mm. Mm -mm -mm. Mm-mm. You guys, had to change my location again. My phone battery died. I mean, this is just one of those days, but I said I am determined to eat this food for you guys because it is so good. So I had to warm it back up. I had to pop it in the microwave, but it is so good. I got, you all. This meal is absolutely delicious. My asparagus is not too soft. It's still got some firmness to it. The taste of this garlic butter chicken is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Got my XS energy drink here. See that? 0 sugar. Amazing. Amazing. So, I was asked in one of my comments by Miss Donna. Hi, Miss Donna. She wanted to know how my keto journey was going. And so far, I have lost, since being on keto, it's been about 6 weeks. You know, that's not being on strict keto. I've lost 12 pounds. So, I did a side-by-side comparison as to how I looked before I started keto and how I looked this past Sunday. So here it is. So when I did that side-by-side, I was like, wow, okay. I know I'm feeling a difference, especially in my clothes. That's usually how I can tell if I'm being successful in losing weight. It's how my clothes fit me. And I'm feeling the difference in my clothes, and then to see the side by side where I could actually see the difference, it made me feel really, really, really good. So I'm going to continue to make more meals like this. I'm going to continue to stay with this low carb keto diet. I feel so much better, and it's just a lot of work preparing the meals, but since I get to prepare it with you guys, it's pretty fun. I want to thank you guys, as always, for watching. If you like this video and want to see more of them, please click that subscribe button and click that notification bell right next to it. I enjoy these days with you guys that I get to spend in the kitchen showing you all of the new recipes that I'm cooking and trying. I've got something really great coming up for you guys. I cannot wait till my next video. This is one that I have been working on for a minute, and I'm so happy to be able to share it with you guys. Thanks again for watching. As always, I really appreciate it, and I will see you